નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 6th verbs present tense. Students, in our previous video we learned about present tense verb, to have form, to do form. That types of forms we already discussed in our previous video. After that we also completed the simple present tense, structure of simple present tense, where we have to use simple present tense. All the things we discussed in our previous video. Now today in this video we have to understand about another present tense, present continuous tense. So let's start our study about present continuous tense. First of all, present continuous tense, where we have to put, in which condition we have to use present present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are happening as we speak. Present continuous tense is used to speak while we are seeing anything is continuing. While we are speaking, at that time some actions continue. It's so by the present continuous tense. जब हम बोल रहे हैं तब भी कोई एक्शन चालू कंटिन्यू है, वो दिखाने के लिए हमें प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करना है. सो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग एज वी स्पीक. While we are speaking, at that time some actions is continuing. That actions we have to show with present continuous tense. Can you understand? Little bit understand? Yes, very good. Now, first of all, structure of present continuous tense. What is the structure of present continuous tense? I write here: is or am or are plus V1 ing. For present continuous tense, we have to use is, am, are plus V1 ing form. V1 ing form means V4. So we require three helping verbs. Present continuous tense have three helping verbs: is, am and are, plus we have to put V1 ing form while we are forming the present continuous tense. Okay? Now with that one line we have to understand when we have to use present continuous tense. See here, I put one word here. It's a present time. It's a present time. While we are speaking, it is a present time. This time is known as a past time. It is a past time. And remaining part, this side part is known as the future time. It is known as the future time. So present time is here, past time is that side, and future time will be that time. Like this, I am talking here, so it's a present time. Before or today's time, it is known as past time, and after I am talking, that time is known as the future time. So same way here I do it. Okay, now with that line we have to understand where we have to use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. While some action started in the past, and maybe continue in a future time, but while you are speaking, at that time that action continue. जब हम बोल रहे हैं शायद वो एक्शन लिटिल बिट पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुई है और वो भी फ्यूचर में भी चालू रहने वाली है, मगर हम बोल रहे हैं तभी हमारे सामने वो कंटिन्यू है. That type of action we have to show by the present continuous tense. Just we have to understand about it with an example. I write here example: post is swimming in the pool. Swimming pool means pool. Okay, post is swimming in the pool. So here, see, post is swimming. Now, while you are speaking, at that time post is continue swimming in the pool. Maybe it started in the past. Means post started from here to swim in the pool. While you are talking, at that time he is also swimming, and maybe in future he is also swimming. Means जब हम बोलते हैं तब पास्ट स्विमिंग कर रहा है, आपकी नजर के सामने वो स्विमिंग कर रहा है, मगर वो पास्ट में, लिटिल बिट पास्ट में स्विमिंग करना उसने स्टार्ट कर दिया है, आपने देखा, तब वो स्विमिंग कर रहा है, मे बी इन फ्यूचर आप बोल ले उसके बाद भी वो स्विमिंग करता रहे। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स वी हैव टू शो विद द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। पोस्ट इज स्विमिंग इन द पूल, सो आई यूज हियर इज एज ए हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड आईएनजी, इवन आईएनजी फॉर्म पुट है swimming. So by this way we have to use present continuous tense. Can you understand about present continuous tense, where we have to use while you are speaking at that time some action will be continue, action B is continue, at that time we have to use present continuous tense. Okay, understand? Now in that structure we have to understand where we have to put is, where we have to put am, where we have to put are, where we have to use helping verbs and which type. With our previous example, V1, as a V1, I take go as an example. Go, with that example we have to understand. So I put here, I am going, we are going, then you are going, here you are going, and he said it is going, and they are going. So I write example as an example, V1 as a go. मैंने example लिया go का, so I put with go, like that it happens. I am going, we are going, you are going, you are going. You see, it is going and they are going. So that's where we have to use helping verb. With I, we have to use am, and you see it, we have to use is. And other places we have to put are as an helping verb, as a helping verb. Can you understand? It is the structure of present continuous tense. It is the structure of present continuous tense. This is also known as a present continuous tense structure. So by this way we have to use present continuous tense. Now some rules is given in your textbook also. We have to understand about it. Where we have to put present continuous tense. Where we have to put present continuous tense. First one is that it describes an action that has been happening for some time. It means the action began in the near past. It is happening today and maybe continue to tomorrow. So that type of action we can show by the present continuous tense. With this example we can understand about it. Past में start हुई है, आप बोल रहे हैं अभी start है, और मैं भी future में भी start हो सकती है. So it is known as a present continuous tense structure. It is known as a present continuous tense structure. Now second one is that second use of present continuous tense is that it describes an action that is scheduled to take place in the near future. If in near future any action will be happen, that action we can show by the present continuous tense. Here in your textbook example is given here. Vibhor is meeting Tanya for lunch tomorrow. It's a near about future time. Tomorrow Vibhor is meeting with Tanya for lunch. So near about future, perfectly future. So the schedule take place again. Already decided schedule we can express by the present continuous tense. Third use is that it can also be used to describe action that are typical of a person, place or thing. It is usually accompanied by always after the verb, helping verb. So typical condition, wherever here with an example is given here, it is always raining in London. Always raining in London. Typical condition of London is given here. So at that typical condition we have to use present continuous tense. Can you understand? So it is the mainly three use of present continuous tense. You have to keep in mind why, when we have to use present continuous tense. While we are talking about things that are happening before you, आपके सामने जो continuous action है उसके लिए use किया जाता है. So structure of present continuous tense I write here. You have to remember that structure is an R plus given ing. It is the structure of present continuous tense. So with that, our little bit study of present continuous tense over here. Okay. After that, we have to understand about differences between simple present tense and What is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense? We have to see in our next video. Now students, we have to understand what is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Both tense differences we have to use. We have to understand where we have to use simple present tense and where we have to use present continuous tense. Both things we have to clarify here. So difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. First one is that simple present tense is used to describe habitual action. As you know that in our previous video we learned about that simple present tense is used to describe habitual actions, while on the other hand, and the present continuous tense is used to describe action taking place at the time of speaking. Action taking place at the time of speaking. It is the major difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. What is this? Simple present tense is used for habitual action, everyday work, habitual action. It shows the habitual action. While on the other hand, present continuous tense is used to action taking place at the time of speaking. जब आप बोल रहे हैं तब जो एक्शन हो रही है उसे दिखाने के लिए प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस होता है. Two example is given here. See one. Jenny walks to the park every day. Jenny walks. I use here simple present tense. Walks to the park every day. Every day means it's a habitual action, not only one day. It's Jenny goes to the walking. Jenny walks to the park every day means it's an everyday habitual action is showing here. So I use simple present tense. On the another example is that Jenny is walking to the park right now. He is walking. I use here present continuous tense. I use present continuous tense because while I am speaking at that time right now in the park, Jenny is walking while we are speaking. जब मैं बोल रहा था तब भी जेनी पार्क में वॉकिंग कर रही थी. So it's a present continuous tense. So it is the major difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Second one is that words like everyday, sometimes, always. See here, remember everyday, sometimes, always, often, usually, mostly are used as a simple present. That type of word is used with a simple present tense. Keep in mind, every day, sometimes, always, often, usually, mostly. That type of word is used. The words are used with a simple present tense. On the other hand, today, now, right now are used with a present continuous tense. Today, now, right now are used with a present continuous tense. So this difference also you have to keep in mind. With that two examples we have to understand about it. See here. Do you go to the park every day? Do you go to the park every day? Because this sentence is written in a simple present tense because it is every day is word is used here and आप रोज पार्क में जाते हैं like that. Second example is that are you going to the park today? Are you? I use here continuous tense. I use here present continuous tense because today word is used here. So it shows the present continuous tense continuity. It shows the continuity. So by this way you have to keep in mind what is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous. Simple present tense is used for habitual action. It is used for habitual action. While on the other hand, present continuous tense is used to talking about while you are speaking at that time some action will be continued. वो action दिखाने के लिए होता है. So it's a two major difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. You have to keep in mind all things. Now after that, somewhere we cannot use present continuous tense. Some notes is given here. While it's related to our sense, five senses there. Human body have five senses. With that five senses, we cannot make a present continuous tense. For example, do not use present continuous for the verb describing our sense, such as see, to see, hear, smell, taste. That type of five senses is there. We don't have to use present continuous tense that sense related words. जो हमें सेंस की बात दिखाता है वैसे वर्ड के साथ हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. और the chocolates taste bitter. We cannot say that this chocolate is tasting bitter. हमारी जो सेंस रिलेटेड वर्ड्स है, सेंस के रिलेटेड, उसके साथ हम कभी भी कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज नहीं कर सकते. We have to write in a simple present tense only. Second one is that do not use present continuous tense for verbs which describe our feelings. जो हमारी फीलिंग्स दिखाते हैं ऐसे वर्ड के साथ हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस विथ शोइंग फीलिंग्स. दैट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स, फीलिंग्स दिखाते हैं वर्ड लाइक दैट, फील, लाइक, हियर, लव, विल, केयर, दैट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड वी कैन नॉट राइट इन अ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट डू नॉट यूज द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस विथ द वर्ड्स व्हिच डिस्क्राइब मेंटल स्टेट. Words describing mental state, at that type of word we cannot use present continuous tense. For example, agree, remember, think, trust, understand. From that words we cannot use it in present continuous tense. And last one is that do not use the present continuous tense with the words which denote possession. Possession showing words we cannot use with present continuous tense like have, own, possess. We cannot do present tense or present continuous tense for that words. Okay, so keep in mind with our 5 senses or verbs we cannot use present continuous tense. So all the things you have to keep in mind. With that, students, here our lesson number 6, verbs present tense over here. We discuss major 2 tenses here, simple present tense and present continuous tense. Remaining lessons we have to see in our next video. Thank you for joining us.